Category B programs are for professional and scholarly activities programs that do not qualify for Category A. There is no minimum in Category B. The maximum for Category B is 33 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 17 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. Category B programs can include the following: program faculty/speaker or panelist at a conference/seminar, primary author of an article in a non-refereed journal, published multimedia material such as audio or video or a home study program, an author of an article or an abstract in a refereed journal, published textbook or a peer-reviewed or refereed poster presentation, contributing author of a published textbook, participating member of clinical research study team, reviewer of a refereed publication, exam item writers, and preceptor for a CATI accredited athletic training program.